Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will look into one of the important topics. What is conventional treatment? Conventional treatment, also known as English medicine or Western medicine. This is a treatment you take from a sexologist or a corporate hospital. So what kind of advantages and disadvantages you have in conventional treatment? In conventional treatment, you are able to curtail the amount of viral load, but the problem is it is full of side effects. There are different class of antiretroviral drugs, or we call it as antiretroviral treatment. There are different kinds of drugs which will attack and reduce the viral load or the replication of virus, or it will curtail the virus at different physiological process or different stages of the viral life cycle. But it has a lot of side effects. First one is nausea. You will get vomiting sensation. Sometimes you get vomiting. You have fatigue. Fatigue means you will be having lot of weakness. Anemia. Some viral antiviral drugs will reduce the RBC in your blood. And also peripheral neuropathy. Peripheral neuropathy means you will get lot of pain and numbness on your limbs. You may sometimes get rashes, or it may sometimes damage the liver as well. And also some central nervous system symptoms such as dizziness, headache, trouble in sleeping, or gastrointestinal issues. Your gastric mucosa may be damaged, or sometimes you may have lipid abnormalities. You will have more cholesterol in your body, or less cholesterol, or less or elevated triglycerides. You will have headache sometimes, insomnia where there is lack of sleep. You will have nausea, so you will have reaction at the injected site, or you will have upper respiratory tract infections, cough, cold. You may land into lot of side effects by using antiretroviral therapy. So the retroviral therapy is good, but it has lot of side effects, and you have to consider these side effects while taking the treatment. The only thing you have to remember is there is no permanent cure for AIDS or HIV. If someone says we will cure your HIV completely, do not believe them. Once the proviral DNA is integrated into your human body DNA, there is no drug which is in clinical trials or already in the market that can detach the viral pro DNA from human DNA and make you free of virus. Never believe these concepts. You can only reduce the viral load by taking regular ART treatment, antiretroviral treatment.
Fidicus Homeopathy.